Watching another JMD Janitorial tutorial. In today's video, we're just doing some more behind the scenes. As I posted a video probably about a month ago regarding a program, an initiative through the state of New Jersey, the NJEDA, and hosted by the African American Chambers of Commerce, which I'm proudly a member of. And it's a small business bonding readiness assistance program. And this program prepares us to do business using bonds, specifically small businesses, and how to prepare yourself for the bond. And this readiness assistance program, in my opinion, has been useful. I'm glad the city of Trenton has the African American Chambers of Commerce located in it, have an outreach program to help small businesses like mine grow and develop. It's just some of the nuance that goes on behind the scenes that helps build and create momentum for my company on this program provided by the African American Chambers of Commerce. It's the Small Business Bonding Readiness Assistance Program. I use some behind the scene footage of what goes on with my business, some of the nuances that you may not see up front.